Once you become fearless, life becomes limitless. I'm sure you agree with me on this, yes? If you see the sentence, fearless, limitless, there is something rhyming in it. Just because there is something rhyming in it, research says this, study says this, that if there is something rhyming in a sentence, naturally we believe it as a fact, as a truth. In this video, I want to talk on the same concept of rhyming. Why it is so that we believe something is true if it rhymes? Why it is so? Let's understand this by going deep in how we learned what we learned. Now let's understand how we learned the English language. Go back to your childhood and ask yourself, how did you learn ABCD? You didn't learn ABCD just like ABCD, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. No, you learned in a fashion of rhyme, isn't it? I'm sure all of you would have learned it in a rhyming fashion. For example, like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, and then you continue further. There is a rhyming pattern which you can see. Then you had rhymes. In fact, there was a whole subject called as rhymes, where you should learn a lot of rhymes. Jack and Jill went to the hill. Johnny, Johnny is Papa. Eating sugar, no Papa. We learned all the language, the basics, using rhymes. Because we grew up with rhymes, because we grew up learning things in rhymes, whatever things come across us in form of rhyming sentences, we blindly perceive them to be a fact. We perceive them as truth. I hope you're enjoying this, yes? Now let's understand the next version of this. Leaders know this, corporates know this, and they use it for us to persuade us. For example, let's take Narendra Modi as an example here. Narendra Modi has a very powerful catchphrase or this rhyming sentence which he used in his promotion, which was Ab ki baar Modi Sarkar. It was a very famous line. Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, he also used it. 5 saal Kejriwal. If you come to South, in Andhra Pradesh, Jagan used it. Ravali Jagan, Kavali Jagan. Great leaders use it. If you see brands, let's take few brands. Tata Sky is one of the brand. Now they have their own catchphrases or these rhyming sentences. One of them is Isko laga dala to life jinga lala. There is one mixer company called Sujata. Sujata, isse acha mixer grinder nahi aata. There are a lot of rhyming sentences which these big brands use. In fact, if you see our childhood, we used to use these rhymings. One of them was very famous. East or West, India is the best. Ganapati Papa Moria, Ada Ladu Churiya. We used to learn these rhyming sentences and we should remember them. In fact, I remember these sentences even though I learned it so long. Johnny, Johnny, yes Papa, I learned when I was a small kid. I don't remember anything else except this Johnny, Johnny, yes Papa or Jack and Jill went to the hill. The reason was it is rhyming. Leaders know this, brands know this, they use it. Now you know this. Please use it. How will you use it? Whenever you are having a conversation, a discussion with your team members, even with your family members, try to bring something rhyming. Create your own rhyming sentences. For example, I have few rhyming sentences which I created. Couple of them are, if you are odd, thank God. Do you want success, dude? Have right attitude. Do you want to get slim? Go join gym. These are my own sentences. These are my own rhyming sentences which I created. And I use them when I'm on stage speaking to people or randomly when I'm in a discussion, I use these sentences and people assume, they perceive these sentences to be a fact. I hope you enjoyed this. Now, enjoying is not enough. Use this and let me know how it worked for you. If you like the video, please subscribe. Any questions which you want to ask in the comment section below. See you in the next video with one more beautiful tip. Till then, take care.